Vision inspection throughput remains consistent.
Confirmed. Quality metrics are well within stringent specifications.
The automated system reports all specifications met.
Excellent. Quality consistency confirmed for this batch.
Yield metrics are stable at 99.8%.
And energy consumption remains optimized for this sequence.
Primary manufacturing sequence showing extensively trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems executing packaging, protective wrapping,
Signal integrity validation is holding steady across all boundary scan test points.
Confirmed. The thermal profile consistency is exceptional. Yield efficiency is holding steady at 99.8%.
That meets the performance specifications. Advanced systems integration, meticulously implementing defect tracking systems, and comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities. Meticulous inventory management and contamination control ensure optimal production efficiency and exceptional quality outcomes. oscillations. The interference levels are well within the acceptable margin according to the SPC systems.
The documentation confirms. The power consumption readings are stable within the threshold.
Thermal management verification is complete for this cycle.
The signal integrity validation failed at this threshold.
Adjusting the oscilloscope bandwidth now.
I am cross-referencing with the industry standard protocols.
The data confirms full compliance with the qualification protocols.
Documenting the results now. It's a clear pass for release.
Verified.
Validation results are logged. Performance metrics look consistent with the protocols. Confirmed. Channel stability is within spec.
Utilizing the failure forecasting
data.
The calibration verification program is running smoothly.
Analytics confirms we're maintaining superior manufacturing standards for quality improvement.
The analytics platform confirms simultaneity quality improvement.
This confirms the Kaizen event successfully streamlined the process. Look at the SPC data trending up.
Agreed. Quality.
The data clearly shows a path to significant cost reduction here.
Exactly, and the optimization programs are already
Implementing yield enhancement analysis tracking and utilizing quality assurance testing procedures ensures exceptional product reliability.
Throughput capacity is stabilizing, showing a 15% yield optimization in the European sector.
Our current turnover rate isn't meeting the Q3 optimization targets.
The defect detection system flagged a bottleneck in the automated
Tuners. Look at how the supplier performance metrics correlate with the platform integration.
The real-time data confirms a significant.
Cross-referencing the environmental contamination data with customer feedback allows us to optimize controls.
precisely.
By integrating the thermal management data, we've optimized the warranty return rate projection. This maximizes operational efficiency across the production line.
The field failure analysis points to the red zone.
Signal integrity validation testing confirms the root cause here.
Agreed. We need to update the integrated management system.
Implementing this obsolescence is crucial. Utilizing these advanced analytics allows our teams to drive innovation and
Our cross-functional teams leverage advanced analytics for continuous quality improvement, maximizing manufacturing excellence and operational efficiency.
The machine learning model has successfully optimized the manufacturing process.
The data confirms a significant increase in efficiency and output.
This integration demonstrates significant progress in the next-generation assembly protocols.
It solidifies our competitive advantage in the sector.
The 5G integration protocols are stabilizing exactly as modeled.
And the manufacturing yield projections just updated. We're exceeding targets.
The edge computing metrics are stabilizing right on schedule.
The sustainable manufacturing yield is up 5% this quarter.
The quantum efficiency is stable at 98%.
We can begin scaling the manufacturing application immediately.
The automated deposition arm is calibrated for the new substrate. Initiating the manufacturing sequence now.
Here in the lab, we're combining fundamental research with practical manufacturing to ensure exceptional product reliability for next-generation flexible electronics.
By integrating the advanced material research, we've systematically developed the next-generation model.
What?
It meets all
The digital twin simulation confirms a 15% efficiency gain. Excellent. This demonstrates clear operational excellence.
If we look at the energy impact metrics here, Our sustainable practices are clearly driving the competitive advantage.
The
Margins is this.
Look at how the Enterprise Intelligence Platform optimizes our supply chain against these dynamic market shifts.
As we analyze the market data here, we see how strategic talent development directly impacts our global competitive advantage in innovation.
Utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms and sophisticated decision frameworks optimizes organizational decisions.
A fully integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned to power the global electronics supply chain and serve billions of consumers worldwide. Strategically positioned within the global supply chain, this ecosystem delivers advanced technology to billions of consumers worldwide. A dramatic perspective of our advanced manufacturing facility, emphasizing its transformative technological importance in the global supply chain. Effectively serving billions of consumers worldwide, emphasizing transformative technological importance. A complete integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned within the global supply chain infrastructure.
These SPC charts show we're exceeding the upper control limit on the new component requirements.
We need to adjust the manufacturing parameters.
These design specifications are critical for the new ESD standards.
We can use the upgraded diodes, but what about the sustainable source?
The stress test results look good against the targets.
Optimization on the milling process brought down the variance significantly. The simulation is complete. Check the performance targets.
Confirmed. We've optimized the thermal profile within the design specifications.
If we look at the waveforms, the crosstalk is exceeding the performance targets.
Yeah, that explains the errors in the manufacturing phase.
Uploading the performance targets to the traceability platform now.
Do they align with the latest regulatory requirements?
Yeah. If we look at the design specifications here, the vibration analysis confirms the contamination risk.
We need to revise
thermal regulation systems stabilized. All specifications met. Validation complete. Confirmed. Manufacturing readiness achieved. We're implementing reliability qualification programs with comprehensive attention to specifications, ensuring manufacturing readiness.
Meticulous preparation is critical. We must adhere strictly to these specifications.
And the thermal tolerances for the reflow profile.
0 defects are required.
Utilizing multi-zone reflow ovens and cutting-edge thermal management, we maintain stringent performance specifications.
Signal integrity validation complete. Quality consistency is confirmed.
Excellent precision maintained. We are clear for the next sequence.
The flying probes are completing the sequence now.
Reliability metrics are all green across the board.
Looks good. The qualification program is confirmed.